the Rams moving in the right direction. A criminal justice and homeland security double major. He is escorted today by his parents, David Hodum and Patricia West. Please welcome Riley Hodum. Our next senior quickly became a favorite of fans, coaches, and teammates who were drawn to his relentless work ethic, bright smile, and limitless supply of positive energy. In 4 seasons, he's appeared in nearly 60 games for the Rams, where he's used that reservoir of positive energy to provide outstanding defense and tenacity. A leader in the locker room and on the campus, he earned his undergraduate degree in Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness earlier this year. Accompanied today by his brother Terrence, his sister Tanisha, his niece Sanaya Fleming, and his mother Terry. From Whitehaven, Richmond, number 14, Terry Hurston. Today's next honoree has provided VCU fans with an unforgettable experience. He will be best remembered for his high-energy style and his ability to disrupt opposing offenses. His steal in the waning moments of the 2015 Atlantic 10 championship game at Barclays Center sealed VCU's first Big Ten tournament title. In 4 seasons, he suited up more than 120 times in a VCU uniform and racked up 170 steals, 8th most in school history, as well as more than 100 three-pointers. Accompanying him today are his high school coach, Bernie Hayes, as well as his brother, Newt Van Henson, his sister, Sanaya Eddings, and his mother, Sharita. From Lake Wales, Florida, number 5, Doug Brooks. Our next senior grew up watching VCU basketball and realized his dream of winning conference titles in black and gold. A 4-year starter, he's provided toughness, not to mention nearly 600 points, 450 rebounds, and 90 steals. He scored 14 points in his first NCAA tournament game, the most ever by a VCU freshman. He's already earned his undergraduate degree and is currently pursuing a master's in VCU's Center for Sport Leadership. He's joined today by his parents, Mila and Keith, as well as his son, Jaden. From Midlothian, number 14, Next, we will honor a senior set to appear in his 137th game in a VCU uniform today. During that time, he's amassed more than 1,300 points and broken in to the top 10 in school history in three-pointers, assists, steals, and free throws. He needs just 3 steals to become just the 6th player in school history with 200. Earlier this season, he hit 9 three-pointers in the game, the most by any VCU player not named Troy Daniels. He's joined today by his brother DJ, his grandmother Verna, his mother Michelle, and his daughter Jayana. From Dixon, Tennessee, number 1, Jaquan Lewis. All right, moving right along. Countless seniors over the years have left their mark at VCU, but today's next honoree is likely the first with his own hashtag. A menacing presence on the court and a gentleman off of it. He's left an impression on VCU fans and a number of unfortunate opponents. He's second all-time in VCU history in block shots, first in career field goal percentage, and earlier this season, he became the 37th Ram to reach 1,000 career points. He's currently pursuing his master's degree in criminal justice. He's accompanied today by Johnny Taylor. From Alexandria, Virginia, number 12, Mo Ali-Cox. Hey, let's hear it one more time for this year's VCU senior class.